Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a vegetarian curry puff in the oven. I used ready-made puff pastry, which is much simpler so we don't have to make the pastry from scratch. The recipe is relatively simple. I use dry spices, pumpkin, sweet potato, and potato. So here are all my ingredients. So this is curry powder, one of the spices that we are going to be using, followed by turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and sugar. And this is coconut oil. It is in lumps because we are in a cold country, but if this was in Asia, it would be all liquid. This is just an onion which we are going to be dicing. Sweet potato, we'll be using half today. Butternut pumpkin, you can use any pumpkin, but this happens to be on sale. We're going to use half of this, so which means it's quarter pumpkin. Potato, and these are ready-made puff pastry sheets, which is available in the frozen section of the supermarket. The ingredients, and we are ready to put them into the puff pastry. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to cut this puff pastry into 4. It doesn't matter that it's not straight, and as you can see, it's no longer frozen, so it can't be too soft, because when it's too soft it is very hard to work with. So if you can still see here that you can actually bend it. Yeah? Okay. We just put a bit of ingredients in here. I'm just using my eye, yeah? Okay, you can't put it too much either because it will burst out, and that's not what you want to do. So just about there. And then we will put it together and make a triangle. Can you see how easy it is to actually put it together? It naturally sticks, so you don't have to put any water or, you know, cornstarch or anything. Okay, like that. And then we just put it on the tray. So if this was non-vegan, I'll be putting egg wash, but here I have coconut oil, which is going to give it the sheen that it has.